camping trip before the rain. Today, the vehicles decide to have a camping trip in the forest. Everyone is excited and busy preparing. The bulldozer is in charge of setting up the tents. Near the campfire, the forklift carefully grills meat. The delicious smell spreads through the campsite. Meanwhile, the excavator heads deeper into the forest to collect firewood.
Huh?
The excavator gets trapped in a muddy pit hidden beneath dry leaves. The more it struggles, the deeper it sinks.
Huh?
Oh no! The sky slowly darkens. Dark clouds gather, signaling incoming rain. The forklift and bulldozer keep waiting, but the excavator still hasn't returned with the firewood. They begin to worry. A camping trip full of trouble, but also a day to remember. Smoldering smoke at the airport. At the airport pickup zone, taxis line up waiting for passengers. A thin trail of smoke quietly rises near the airport taxi area. Something isn't right. Inside, a paper with a still burning cigarette butt smoldering. Luckily, the danger was handled just in time. A small spark can cause big danger. Always be careful with things that seem harmless. A sneaky trick on a hot day. A scorching hot day at a construction site. A long line of construction vehicles waits for jobs. The bulldozer arrives late and stands at the end of the line. It looks ahead impatiently. The bulldozer looks over and gets a sneaky idea. Vehicles that drank the water feel unwell. One by one, they leave the line. Huh? Sometimes, a quick trick gets you ahead, even if it's not the nicest way. The missing bucket of fish on the frozen lake.
On a quiet frozen lake, a small truck is fishing. Fish are pulled out one by one. The bucket quickly fills up. Snow begins to fall softly. The air grows colder. Oh no! The bucket of fish is slipping away! The bucket of fish slid farther and farther away, disappearing into the cold snow. Journey among the desert dunes. A small cargo truck slowly crosses the quiet desert. Ahead lies an area of fine sand near a small oasis. Oh no, it's quicksand! As the truck drives forward, its wheels suddenly sink. Emergency lights flash in the sea of sand. A rescue signal is urgently sent. In a desert that seems peaceful, danger can hide beneath the surface. Teamwork day at the gas station. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and the sunshine gently lights up the busy gas station. Many vehicles are lining up neatly, waiting for their turn to refuel. Suddenly, from a distance, a vehicle has a problem. Oil spills all over the road. Other vehicles cheer and help together. What a fun and meaningful day at the gas station! The brave rescue of the vehicles. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and warm sunlight shines down on the busy road. All the vehicles are driving smoothly, feeling happy and full of energy. Suddenly, the volcano that has been sleeping for a long time begins to shake. Boom! The volcano erupts and glowing lava flows down onto the road. Some vehicles cannot escape in time and run into trouble. At that moment, the rescue team quickly arrives. Fire trucks, rescue trucks, and police cars work together to clear a safe path. One by one, the vehicles are pulled out of danger. The lava is blocked, and the road slowly becomes safe again. the end, all the vehicles are safe. Everyone feels happy and thankful to the brave rescue team. It has been a truly unforgettable day. A fun day at the construction site. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is clear and bright at the construction site. All the vehicles are happily starting their work. The cement mixer truck is pouring concrete into a big hole, but it is so busy working that it forgets to put up a warning sign. Forgets to put up a warning sign. The construction vehicles quickly come to help. Finally, the police car is pulled out safely. Everyone smiles happily. It's truly a fun day at the construction site. A surprising workday. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and golden sunlight shines over the large warehouse yard. The cargo trucks are busy doing their daily jobs. The forklift carefully stacks boxes higher and higher. The boxes form a tall tower. Oh no! The tower of boxes starts to shake. The boxes begin to tilt to one side. Crash! The boxes fall all around the forklift. The forklift gets stuck in the messy pile. A blue truck happens to see what's happening. Finally, the forklift is free from the mess.
The hidden oil spill in the city. A normal day in the city. Vehicles move along the busy streets. A truck carrying rocks drives through the streets. The back is loaded with heavy stones. From underneath, oil begins to leak onto the road. The truck doesn't notice and keeps moving. The car loses control and hits a tree. Small leak can lead to big consequences. Always stay aware and check your vehicle.
Oh, the dawn had just broken. Then crack! A wooden bridge in the middle of the river collapsed. Alarm! Alarm! Bobby rushes forward to block the road. Stop all vehicles from entering. Whoosh! Flair dashed over using the long life ladder, all the way to the edge of the bridge. rumble! Reddy digs a new stake site. Craney pulls the giant pole into place. Swirl, swirl, swirl! Swirlo pours reinforced concrete. Secures every joint. Wow! The bridge was saved just in time. This dawn is more brilliant than ever. City. After hauling rocks out of the cave and completing its delivery, the heavy truck leaves the mining area and heads toward the city. Suddenly, the truck slightly loses control and crashes into the barrels. Oil bursts out and spreads across the street. Gradually cleared. In a busy city, a single careless moment can cause major chaos. A scorching hot day. Its rays heat the road intensely. The air shimmers in the heat. The streets are quieter than usual. Vehicles move slowly under the harsh sun. A delivery car is making deliveries at noon. The temperature gauge slowly climbs. The engine is overheating. On scorching days, even small issues can cause trouble, but timely help keeps every journey safe.
The garbage truck falls into the lake and the cleanup rescue. The garbage truck begins its journey after finishing work in the city. The garbage truck drives along a small road through the forest. The truck slides into the lake. Trash bags spill out and float on the water. A rescue vehicle quickly arrives from the forest. All trash is removed. The lake becomes clear and peaceful again.
An adventure on the cruise ship. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is clear and blue, and the sunshine is bright. Everyone is on a big cruise ship, enjoying a wonderful trip on the sea. Some people are taking photos, capturing amazing moments. Others are happily swimming in the cool water. Laughter fills the cruise ship. Suddenly, crack! Strange noise is heard. A water pipe inside the cruise ship breaks, and water starts leaking everywhere. More and more water flows in. The cruise ship slowly starts to sink. Everyone feels scared and worried. At that moment, the brave fire truck rushes in. It firmly attaches to the cruise ship and brings professional repair tools. Everyone is safe and very happy. They all clap and thank the fire truck. What a fun and unforgettable trip!
Wildfire rescue in the forest. The police car is sleeping soundly inside the station. Suddenly, the red alert alarm blares through the station. A forest is burning out of control. Inside the burning forest, a vehicle is trapped in thick smoke. It has become unconscious and cannot move. The police car activates its siren. It quickly dispatches the fire truck and ambulance to the scene. Following the police car's guidance, the ambulance enters the safe zone. The trapped vehicle is quickly rescued from the fire. Clean, not for long. Inside a garage, a garbage truck is being washed. Water sprays, foam covers the whole vehicle. The garbage truck is sparkling clean. A modified car speeds in. The modified car rushes past, leaving black smoke. The garbage truck gets covered in dirt again. A fire truck passes by and notices the situation. It stops and comes to help. The garbage truck happily continues its journey. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but there's always someone ready to help you start fresh.
The police car and the secret treasure map. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue and the sunshine fills the road. The police car is happily driving while patrolling the street. Suddenly, oh no! The police car bumps into a strange object lying on the road. It's an old treasure map with mysterious symbols. Everyone is excited to join the adventure. Vehicles travel together into the lush green jungle. Suddenly, the police car stops. On the map, a big red X appears right in front of them. All the vehicles cheer happily. No matter what the treasure is, this is truly an amazing adventure.
Sudden rain and the heavy hay load. In the forest, a forklift transports hay bales from a warehouse to a truck. Everything runs smoothly. The sky slowly darkens. Suddenly, rain pours down. The wet hay becomes heavy. The forklift struggles while lifting a tall stack. The forklift wheels sink into the soft ground. The truck hooks and pulls hay bales off the forks, reducing the load. In unexpected situations, timely help can change everything. Trouble in the coal mine. dark coal mine, yellow lights line the tunnel. An excavator works hard, scooping coal and loading it onto a truck. A fully loaded coal truck slowly moves through the narrow tunnel. In dark and dangerous places, tiny help is the guiding light.